Use on textured tub. No suction cups needed. Anti-slip honeycomb texture. Drainage holes. 100% silicone with high-quality formula. Folding design saves space. Easy to fold. 100% silicone with high-quality formula. Highest quality materials. BPA-free. Latex-free. Phthalate-free. PVC-free. Not only non-slip. Uniquely designed. Bathe enjoying a massage. Increase dense drainage holes. No sediment water. Quickly drain excess water. Stay away from slippery. Honeycomb texture non-slip traction. Anti-slip grip produces a massage feeling to your feet. Honeycomb texture. Top reviews from the United States. Stays put. Does not float. I waited to review this mat to make sure it did what it was supposed to do. This mat stays put in the tub. I have a textured tub and other mats floated because they couldn't stick. The 10,000 plus little suctions on this mat seems to mold to the floor of the tub and hold on for dear life. The mat is just heavy enough. The feel of this mat is so good under my feet. It reminds me of walking on the firm, fine, wet sand on a Caribbean beach when the wave has just receded. The first time I stepped on this mat, I was immediately transported back to walking on clean, firm, fine sand. And I get that feeling every time. I would definitely recommend this mat. And no, I didn't get paid for this review.